The BCSN Southwyck Lanes Bowling Challenge returns this summer. Each and every week, one lucky bowler gets the chance to win the jackpot. All they have to do is throw 3 straight strikes. Sounds easy. I couldn't do it, but I'm sure some folks can. Now, not to worry, even if they don't pull off the turkey, they'll take home $1 a pin. Let's check out our first competitor of the summer. Meet Felix Jagodzinski. With 3 straight strikes, Felix will take home the week 1 jackpot of $101. Here's his first toss. It's got the curve, hits him right where he wanted it, but 1 pin remains. Felix is understandably bummed, but he'll still win $1 a pin. He's got $9 coming his way so far. Here's toss number 2. No surprise here. He gets the spare up to $10. Now, when he's not bowling, Felix enjoys golfing, Miller Lite, and baseball games. Now, let's check out his third and final attempt. Remember, $1 a pin. Throws the ball. Oh, 3 pins remain. Felix is taking home $17 in our first Southwyck Lanes Bowling Challenge of the summer. BCSN's Steve Ronkowitz caught up with Jagodzinski following his third and final throw.
Hey, let's talk about that first shot. Left that 7-pin. Did you get the ball where you wanted it to?
When I was practicing, I couldn't really get to the pocket, so I wanted to make sure I got it out. And got it out where I wanted to, and it hit pretty good. It left the 7-pin. That's what happened.
Able to take care of the spare, though, and then the money ball just wasn't there. You got $17 out of it.
Yeah, that last ball is just, you already lost the jackpot, so you just throw whatever,
Well, you had $101 waiting there for you. It would have been better than 17, wouldn't it?
I didn't realize it was 101. And so early in the year, I thought it was, $20.
I guess I should have told you it was 101. It would have been a little different story, right?
Yeah, you'd have told me that much. I'd have tried a little harder, I guess. I'd have used a different ball maybe. I don't know.
$17 for Felix Jagodzinski. Back to you.